Hey, this is a 2011 Inman 1 bike check. Here I have old ODI long neck Barnes Textro brake. I took it off though. I just didn't really want to take off the grips to get that off, so just there, out of the way. ODI Barnes stock foot bike bars. They're really bent, so yeah, I'm getting new ones soon. Stock, what is that called? Stem. The Fit Bike sticker on it. And then Fit Bike in one frame. Stock forks. Tree trick stick pegs. Really light, really strong. I just learned how to do feeble, so I like them. They're slippery too, so they glide along rails and stuff really nice. What's it called? Stock rim. Got a new tire because the old one was cracking, and I actually got a hole in it, so my tire kept popping. And stock cranks. Got Welgo pedals. Worked really well. They're metal, and they're really light too, and like they're really easy to catch when you're doing tricks. Yeah, and they're also grippy, so you don't like slip off of them a lot. Fly bikes, Circulo 25 tooth sprocket. It's really nice. Only had it for like a month or two though. Stock chain, stock hub, rim. Getting a new tire. This one's cracking and everything, so it's wearing down. Stock hub. I don't know if I said that already. Electric trick stick peg. Then here's the sound check. Can't really do it that well. Yeah. Stock, so it's not that loud. I'm getting new bars. I'm getting Shadow Conspiracy bars because I've heard they're light and strong. This one's already bent. And I'm also getting new Forts Voltus. I've heard they're light, and I just need lighter stuff on my bike. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know. It's kind of stock, but I guess the stock stuff is good on this, except for the bars. I don't like them. They're stupid. But yeah. Oh yeah, stock seat clamp. So yeah. All right.